Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to apply in University of Salerno, Italy. University of Salerno is offering fully funded scholarships for international students in masters and PhD programs without IELTS, and there is no application fee to apply for this scholarship. So to apply we will go on Google and type scholarshipsguides.com. Okay, so on the right side we have different scholarships that are listed over here. We will click on University of Salerno, Italy, Scholarships 2024. If you can't find it over here, then you can go in the top and in scholarship section. There are different scholarships country wise. So you will go to Italy scholarships and then you will see it over here. You just have to click it. And here you can find university information that is offering this scholarship. And here it is eligibility criteria. You can see all countries are eligible, and for masters you have to be a graduate and you should have bachelor's degree. And here are the required documents to apply for this scholarship. First one is passport. Then you have to also upload a picture, transcript, degree, CV, motivational letter, English proficiency certificate, and recommendation letters. So it covers free accommodation. Tuition fees is also covered in the scholarship, and you will get yearly allowance. So these are the programs that are being offered in English language at this university. To apply, you will click here to apply online on this button. So you will reach on university page. Here you will click on teaching. Okay, so in the left side you have different categories. You can click on courses. Here are different courses that are being offered: Master 1 level, Master 2 level, and specialization schools. Okay, and you can click here international teaching. Here you can see postgraduate degrees that are taught in English language. So I can open it in new window. And here are the courses: food engineering, smart industry engineering, and other ones also. So you can click here and see more information about these courses. Here you can see all the information about these courses. So to apply, we will go back and here we will click on enrollment. Here we have different options. As we are non-European Union students and living abroad, so we will click over here. Procedure for pre-enrollment of non-EU students. So in the procedure we will have to apply on UniversityofTsalerno.it for pre-enrollment in this university. So I will click over here. It will take me to University Italy website. I accept it. Okay. So in the top right corner you see this emoji. You will click over here. Okay, so I have already created my account on UniversityItaly.it. So it is asking me to sign in. But if you don't have any account, then you can click on register and create your new account. So I will click on sign in. I will click on here to translate into English language. Okay, so I can see here pre-enrollment application. I will click over here. I will translate it again to English language. Okay, so go to application. Here I have already filled my information. You can fill your all the information. Here you will have to fill your first name, then last name, birth date, your gender, country, town, city, then your citizenship. Here you will have to write your home address, contact details, email and phone number. Then you have to click on go to step B. Okay, so here you will write your passport number, its expiry date. Then you will have to upload a passport size picture of your face and a valid passport. So I will upload a file over here. For example, I upload it. Okay, then you have to upload your passport. Okay, here you have to fill your visa application. Where will you apply for a visa? First you have to select your country name. Then here you will see embassies in your country. You have to select one where you want to apply for a visa. Then specify the reason for the visa application. So you have to click one of these. I want to enroll in a study course. I will select it. Okay, then in the institution you have to select university, institution name. You have to select from the list of the University di Salerno. Okay, then here you will select Laurea Magistrale. It's master program. So in the language you will select English language. Here in the course name you can select whichever course you want to apply. So if I select computer science, here we have course curriculum. So this one is in English language, so I will select it. Here there is complete information of my chosen course. University name, course type, language. It is in Italian language, so I will change it. I think this course is being offered in Italian language. So what if I select this course and then this digital marketing? Okay, so it is offering in English and Italian, both languages. So you can see what language your course is being taught. Then you will select go to step C. Okay, here you will upload your qualifications documents. That means transcript, degree, CV, recommendation letters, or any work experience do you have. That is you have. So you will select document type over here. Then transcript. Then you will choose your transcript file and upload it over here. For example, I am uploading it this one. Then you can write also name of your uploaded document. I can write here bachelor transcript, upload qualification. So it is uploaded over here. This is the one that I uploaded now. Okay, so then you can click on the summary. After uploading all your documents, here you will see a summary of the documents and information that you have written over here. And after reading all these, you have to click I have read the data processing. Here you will see a file that you have to open. You have to read it thoroughly and then click check mark this box and then click on apply for pre-enrollment and your application will be submitted. So this was the procedure to apply in the University of Salerno. Okay, thank you.